everyone, how's it going? So today I'm gonna show you something a bit different from what I usually have here on my channel, an unboxing video. So the cool folks at Huion sent me this. This is the Kamvas 13 pen display tablet. Let's open it up. First off, we have a thank you card. Thank you, Huion. Let me put this aside. And now for the main event. The pen display itself. And it's pretty light. It weighs about 980 grams. It's 11.8 millimeter thick. Should be pretty easy to bring along when you have to work on the go. It comes in 3 different colors: midnight green, cosmo black, and violet purple. The one Huion sent me is cosmo black. So now let's remove the protective film. What do we have here? 8 programmable keys. They have a nice click to them. As for the screen itself, it has an anti-glare screen protector, and it features a Full HD IPS display with 120% sRGB color gamut. Also, you can use it in 2 modes: pen display or pen tablet. On the side here, you have the connection ports. You can connect it to your PC, laptop, Mac, or Android device. It supports Type-C to HDMI or Type-C to Type-C connections. Cables. Let's check them out. So here we have a 3-in-1 cable. So it's USB-C to HDMI, USB 3.0, and a USB power cable. And this here is a USB extension cable. By the way, if you have a USB-C port on your PC, you can use an optional USB-C to USB-C cable instead. This here is the battery-free pen. It features 8,129 levels of pressure and 60-degree tilt support. And also 2 programmable side buttons. And here we have the donut-shaped pen holder. You can open it up and have access to 10 replaceable pen names, as well as the nib removal ring. And you can rest your pen on it like this or sideways. So here we have a CD-shaped warranty card with a link to the drivers, an instruction manual, a cleaning cloth, and a smudge guard. We're which is very useful for gliding your hand on the display to make those confident brush strokes. And Huion also made sure to send me this stand. There's some notches here on the back. And you can choose whichever degree you prefer. I think I'm gonna go with this one. And you flip this here. So there we have it, the Huion Kamvas 13. I can't wait to see how it's going to change the way I make my illustrations. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Cheers!